if you're trying to learn Midjourney, it can be chaos. These newbie channels. So let's talk about how we can create a private server and how it can be so much easier to create beautiful AI art and imagery inside of Midjourney without having to scroll through the newbie channels. All right, so this is AI in 5. If you haven't heard, my name's Jordan Wilson. I'm the host. Every single day, everyday AI, every weekday, we have a live stream podcast and a free daily newsletter helping everyday people like you and me not just understand, but how we can actually use AI. So let's use some AI and let's talk about Midjourney. So we just did a live stream about Midjourney. So if you haven't used it, Midjourney is a paid AI generating platform, and you use Discord to create images. It's actually pretty easy. So let's just go ahead and do that part live, and then we can kind of show you why it's kind of hard. So all you're going to do is type a prompt / imagine, and then let's just say a mid-30s podcast host talking about AI, and we'll just say unsplash. So we'll probably get a little bit more of a realistic thing. And you'll see what happened immediately is it's hard to find, right? These open newbie servers are great for learning, but it's hard to find your own creations. And you spend so much time scrolling trying to find it, right? So even right now, right, I had to scroll up a little bit. But then if you're creating new variations, upscaling, you spend so much time just scrolling around because this is an open forum, right? So it's hard. So let's go ahead and fix that. So all we're going to do, it's pretty simple. To create a new server, a private server, we're going to click Add Server. Then we're going to click Create My. All right. The other thing that's annoying is all these beeps, right? All these beeps in Midjourney. So let's just say we're going to call this Private Server Test. All right. So we typed in a name, and that's it. So now I have this here. You'll see on the left-hand side, Private Server Test. So here's the normal Midjourney, and it's like, where is my mid-30s? Well, here it is. So you can find it, but you'll see it's hard to go back and forth, right? So instead, we can go into Midjourney, but you'll see into our private server here, our private server test. But if I type in / imagine, nothing happens. That's because this is just a private Discord server. There's no connection right now to Midjourney, but it's pretty simple. So all you're going to do is click Midjourney, go into any newbie room, and you're going to click up here, show your list. Okay, so it might be hidden by default. It might already be there. So all you're going to do, and this is going to save you so much time in the long run, you're going to see the Midjourney bot right here. You click it. Then you're going to click Add to Server. On this page, you're going to find your server. So I'm going to say, we called this Private Server Test. I'm going to click Continue. This gives it access right here, so you have to authorize it. You have to confirm that you're actually a human, which at times can be for me. And then I can go straight to the private server test. So now if I type in /imagine, and I can see I can work with Midjourney in here. And I'll say, I'm going to say realistic photo of mid-30s podcast host talking about, talking correctly, right? Talking about AI. And then I said unsplash, right? So now when I type in, there's not these 50 other messages popping up, making it impossible for me to scroll and find it, right? So now it's just happening right here in my private server test channel. So what's good is you can always go into Midjourney. You can see what other people are creating in the open, and then you can copy and paste people's prompts, make updates to them. And this is a great way to learn. And then just go into your private server that has the Midjourney bot there connected. All right. So I hope that was helpful. Pretty straightforward. And if it was, please go to youreverydayai.com. Click that little thing right here. Put your email in, sign up for our free daily newsletter where we help everyday people learn and leverage AI. Hope to see you back for another AI in 5.